All right, today we're gonna be trying to split a golf ball with an axe. Now, my first iterations of this experiment, I was using the axe to hit the ball. Well, that's not gonna work. So I thought I might get some better results if instead I left the axe in place and I hit the axe with the ball. Did I say that right? So I did some Google searches and I looked around online to see if I could find something like a golf ball slingshot or a golf ball launcher. I came up with this. It's actually called a golf ball launcher. The golf ball slides down into this tube and then this end will thread down onto your, then you load in a blank round or a cartridge, and when you fire it, the expanding gases will launch the golf ball out. So I've got my axe duct taped to this metal fence. I've got my high-speed camera set up. Let's see if we can split a golf ball with an axe. Going hot. Splitting a golf ball at 6,000 frames a second. Oh, just missed it. All right, going again. Woo, that was scary. Oh, I hit it. Gun is clear. Look at that. Nice gash, but it's not split. So close. All right, gotta clean it up. Ooh, didn't see it at all. Close. Don't try this at home. Splitting a golf ball with an axe. I think I hit it. Ah! I shaved it. Of all the things I was doing today, I didn't think this would be the hard part. Getting close, getting really close. Oh, it's a joke. Oh, I see it. All right, that's 17,000 frames a second. Here we go. There it is. Nice. Woohoo. It doesn't even slow down. So I'm gonna try to do it one more. I don't have a backstop that'll catch it. I've got these woods that goes that way for about a mile. And then I've got Morgan's weeds that he hasn't cut in probably a year or two. But I wanna do this one more time and crank the frame rate up a little bit. And hopefully I can find the pieces. Okay, I saw where that one landed. I'm gonna go find it. All right, check this out. This is the one that was split almost perfectly down the middle. I was able to find both sides of it, which was surprising. That is so neat. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. Right at the tip of my dirty fingernail, you can see the impact mark from the axe. It surprised me that this is one solid material in here, and I sort of expected there to be layers of like a rubber, then a different type of rubber, and then maybe some cork in the middle, but it's not. It's just one sort of really firm rubbery material. This is very satisfying. I need to come up with something to do with these, like some sort of frame I can mount these in. But anyway, thank you for subscribing. Thank you to my supporters on Patreon. You guys are awesome. If you've gotten this far in the video and you feel like I've earned your subscription, I would love for you to subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any future craziness. And until then, see you in the next one.